Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome to Maker Morning with Miss Nicole and
Miss Alisha.
And it's February. Can you guys believe that?
It happened so fast.
Yes, we finally have some snow on the ground. It's definitely winter time, just like the picture behind us.
Yeah.
This month we have another bag for our story time and our kids programs for the month of February. And the one that we're about to do is also in here. And if you didn't grab one, some of these materials you might even have at your own home. All right, so you're gonna grab the one that says February 3rd, Maker Morning. Wait. All right, and you'll see the instructions on the back. But this is a STEM program. So does that mean that there's a right or wrong way to do this, Miss Alisha?
I mean, no, it's all about experimenting, right? That's the fun of it, and that's how you learn. You make mistakes, and then you try something else, and so no, there's not really a wrong way.
Not really
to
a
do this
wrong
one.
at all. So this one is super easy. You're gonna have a paper cup like this. Right now it has a bottom in it. You're gonna take scissors or even the tip of a pin.
And I think you should have scissors
in the bag. Yep, it's in a separate little bag, but yes, there should be scissors in there. And you're going to pierce carefully the bottom of the cup.
Get help if you need to.
Yes, definitely get an adult. You can either cut it out, or I find it quicker, because I'm not the best with scissors, is to just get the bottom out. So you want to be able to look through there when you're done with taking the bottom of the plastic or the paper cup out. And again, you might have another paper cup at home, and feel free to use that. So see, you can see through there like that. So that's what we need.
More like a paper tube.
Yes. And then you're gonna have a balloon. And so this is not going to fit over the opening, but this side, if we cut it, will. So the side that is the circular one that's enclosed, you're gonna cut the tip off. And by the way, I don't think I said what we're making, did I? We're making...
It's a surprise!
Yes, it's a surprise. Balloon poppers, though. All right, so once you do that, you're gonna have a balloon that has a hole on one end and a hole on the other. So this is the end that we're gonna work with. And again, there's not a right or wrong way to put it on or to do it. You can either, this is the easier side to use, the bottom of it, it's narrower. You can either use that side or the other side, whatever you choose. And this is the tricky part. Sometimes you need another pair of hands.
Do you need help? Do you want me to hold the cup?
Yeah, maybe.
Okay.
And we can do it in front of the camera.
Okay.
And we're going to put this over whatever side you choose, like that. And so it looks like a hat. See that? And then you're going to make a knot on this side of the balloon. So the side you usually blow air in, we're going to knot it up, which I might
You
need.
need hands again?
Yeah.
You want me to
Okay.
hold
If
it?
you want to hold the balloon, I'll make a knot. So yeah, you might need an extra set of hands. I am not good at doing this.
It's not the easiest thing to do.
No, it is not. Especially when it's connected to a cup.
There we go.
All right, yay.
Oh
Okay.
no!
Well, it's probably not too late. And you know what? You might find it easier through
knot it
experimenting to knot it first. But it's up to you. Because it's your experiment. Oh yeah, that was really easy.
There we go.
Okay.
Okay.
Or if you choose to do it on the thicker side, this is what it looks like, which actually stays better because of the lip of the cup, but it doesn't really look like a circle on top, but it still works. So either way, it's fine. So now what do we do now, Miss Alisha? I've got a cup with a balloon.
Well, they're what do we call them? Launchers.
Yes.
So we need something to launch,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, so in the bag there was craft pom-poms, or guess what? I brought even cotton balls from home. Or what tasty treat could we use that's soft?
I bet marshmallows.
Oh, that would be a good one. I didn't have any at home though, so I didn't have any marshmallows to bring. But that would be pretty cool.
That would be.
So let's experiment. Let's put one in.
All right.
And then to launch, you hold, especially if you do it on this side, you kind of want to hold where the balloon meets the cup so the balloon doesn't come off the cup. All right, ready? And we're going to pull back on the tied end. Uh-oh.
Oh no.
It fell off. All right, we're going to try it again. All right, so we're going to hold the balloon where it meets the cup, pull back. Oh my goodness, did you guys see that? We'll do it again. I'm going to try a cotton ball this time. I'm going to aim it towards you guys. Uh-oh, see that one didn't go very far. That's why it's good to experiment.
There
we
you
go. Let's see if the one that we used with the big end works. Maybe. Oh, there's one. And don't tell anyone, but when I was practicing earlier, I got it caught in the ceiling here at work. That's our secret.
There's one hiding up there somewhere.
So, what's the science behind this? How does this work?
Okay, so it's like, you know when you take a rubber band and you stretch it and you pull it? It's the same kind of science. When you pull back, it has potential energy, which is the energy that's stored in the object. And then when you let go, it transfers to kinetic energy and it shoots the pom-poms out at you.
Awesome.
So it's a very simple experiment and a very easy way to see the difference between potential and kinetic energy.
Nice. And you could even make a game of this and say, here,
catch.
Mom or Dad, or here, friend, catch this. Ah! And hopefully it launches more than mine did. So have fun experimenting. Again, there's no wrong or right way to do it. You can put whatever in here. Just make sure it's soft so nobody gets hurt.
Yep. Don't
Or
launch it in
don't get
people's
dinged.
faces.
Yeah.
But have fun with
Yes,
it.
have fun
And
with
send us photos of you making your launchers and playing with them. We love to see photos
We
of
do.
everything you did.
Yes.
We got some really fun photos last month of the gummy bears.
Yes.
We hope everyone loves those.
Yes.
So send us pictures. We love seeing them
I
and
definitely do.
experiment.
Yes.
Have fun. Be creative.
And what are we going to do next month? Come and find out. Stay tuned for March.
We'll see you then. Bye.